A blinking red light on your Spectrum router indicates a critical error, most commonly due to overheating or connection issues. Routers, like the Rat2K or newer Wi-Fi 6 models, use LED lights for troubleshooting. A solid green light signifies normal operation. Overheating occurs when the internal temperature exceeds 122 to 140 degrees, 50 to 60 degrees Celsius, triggering thermal protection mode. Connection problems often mean a loss of signal from your cable provider, stemming from loose cables, faulty ports, or outages. This is why the light starts blinking red. Start by checking all physical connections to your router, especially the coaxial cable. Ensure it's securely connected to the router's cable in port and the wall outlet. Ensure the router has adequate ventilation by placing it in an open area away from direct sunlight or heat sources. Clean the vents with compressed air to remove any accumulated dust. Power cycle the router by unplugging it for 30 to 60 seconds, then plugging it back in. If problems persist, check for firmware updates via the router's admin panel at 192.168.0.1 or the Spectrum app. You can also use the Spectrum app to check signal strength. Poor levels may cause blinking. You may need to contact support to avoid voiding warranties.